In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start ActiveCampaign. We're going to walk through 3 core things you need to get up and running: creating a list, building a lead form, and setting up a simple automation that sends an email when someone subscribes. By the end, you'll have the basic funnel in place. A person joins your list through a form, and ActiveCampaign automatically sends them an email. Let's start with your list. In ActiveCampaign, a list is basically a bucket where your contacts live. From your dashboard, look for the Contacts area, which is represented by the person icon, and click on it. Then choose Lists. On this page, you'll see an option that says Add a List. Go ahead and click that. You'll be asked to enter a name, a URL, and a description. The name should be something clear, like newsletter subscribers or leads from website. The URL is usually your website's main address, and the description is just a short note that reminds you what this list is for. When everything looks good, click Add to create the list. Next, you need a way for people to join that list, and that's where a lead form comes in. At the top or side menu, find the website section, usually shown with a globe icon, and click on it. Then choose Forms. On the Forms page, click Create a Form. Give your form a name that matches its purpose, like Homepage Signup or eBook Opt-in. For the type, select Inline Form, which is the standard form you embed directly on a page. Then, choose the list you just created so that anyone who fills out this form will be added to that list. Once those options are set, click Create. When the form builder opens, you can customize fields if you like, but for now, focus on getting it live. In the top right, click Integrate. You'll see an embed code. Copy that code and paste it into your website where you want the form to appear. Now let's automate the follow-up email. Go to Automations, marked with a clock icon, and click Create an Automation. Choose Start from Scratch and then Continue. For the trigger, select Subscribes to a list and click Continue again. Pick the list you created earlier and click Add Start. This tells ActiveCampaign to start the automation whenever someone joins that list. Inside the automation builder, click the plus symbol, then go to Sending Options and choose Send an Email. Click. Create an email, give it a subject line that clearly explains what they're getting, and select a template that fits your brand. After you edit the content, click Next, then Finish. Finally, in the top right, switch the automation toggle to Active. Now, whenever someone fills out your form, they'll be added to your list and automatically receive your email.